very easy flower. So let's get started. We are making a tulip flower. We are starting with the petals. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Let's add some more petals. Now, let's give our flower a stem. Now let's add a leaf. Let's add another one. Now it's time to paint. Paint for the petals. Yes, you got this. Our pink tulip shines like a gem. Our flower looks so beautiful and so cheerful. Brown for the stem. Green. It looks like a cute magical flower from a fairy tale, don't you think? Remember, every flower is unique, just like you. It looks like a happy little flower, full of life and joy. It's almost ready. Ta-da! Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.